Exercise program, core exercises. Warm up. Marching in place with high knees, 1 minute.
So let's start with marching in place with high knees. As you lift your each knee, bring your hand down to touch your knees as they guided.
Next, arm swing. Arm swing, 30 seconds. Next, torso twist. Torso twist, 30 seconds.
Stand tall and rotate your torso side to side, keeping your core engaged and your movements controlled.
Stretching. Side stretches, 15 seconds per side. Next, seated forward fold. Seated forward fold, 20-second hold. Main workout. Plank, 3 sets of 30-60 seconds.
Plank. Start in a push-up position with your elbow directly under your shoulder. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and engage your core throughout.
Next, Russian twist. Russian twist, 3 sets of 10 to 15 per side.
Russian twist. Sit on the floor with your knee bent and feet lifted or flat. Lean back slightly and twist your torso side to side by tapping the floor or with your hands or the weight.
Next, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 10 to 15 per side.
Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulder off the ground and alternate bringing your opposite elbow to your knee in pedal motion, keeping your core engaged.
Next, leg raise. Leg raise are 3 sets of 12 reps.
Leg raise. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Place your hand under your hips for support and lift your legs up to 90 degrees before lowering them slowly without letting them touch the ground.
Cool down. Deep breathing. 1 minute. Next, cat-cow stretch. Cat-cow stretch, 20 seconds. Next, seated forward fold.